those new lights from Godox are coming in different flavors. Let's check them out.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi guys, I'm Johnnie from CineD and I'm here with Joel from Godox. Joel, how are you?
I'm doing really good, really good. Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much for inviting. And you have a whole new light system. It's not a bulb, it's not a single thing, it's something much bigger. Tell me about it.
Yes. So it's a complete comprehensive kit. It is our new RS60Bi and our RS60R, which are also available in MS60Bi and MS60R. The M connotates that it is CRMX control. So what they are is it's a full-fledged system that allows you to change power supplies from our built-in rechargeable battery to NPF batteries, also to an Edison to allow you to, use it as an install. It comes with a bunch of different flavors where the front mount, we offer a Fresnel lens, but not only that, we offer different modifiers, different attachments, snoots, soft boxes, lanterns. It's just a really complete ecosystem for a 60-watt fixture that is trying to introduce it in lighting spaces, not faces.
First of all, I'm very happy that you don't have to test me when it comes to the lights and what each, like the names and what each one is doing. Yeah. It's a lot to remember. But first of all, who is it for? Because that's a complete system.
So for this complete system, the number one person that I've been hearing here at NAB 2025 is this is a perfect tabletop photography. Foodies, any kind of product photography. We've been hearing, some boards on top and bottom, and this intricate light system with our lantern system, with the snoots, with the gobos to create light slashes, halation. Like, it really is just one of the ultimate tabletop products, I would say, but at the same time, as a DP, I could see this lighting my backgrounds, lighting texture, and just really utilizing it to really create something new that I haven't really seen in a product yet.
Is that going to be sold as also a single bulb, let's call it, or single light, or always as a kit?
So we have 3 sets available. There's going to be a single light kit with the battery, a charger cable, and the mount. Then you step up into our 2-light kit, which starts at $12.99, and that gets you 2 lights with all the accessories and everything we were talking about. And then you step up to $24.99, which is our 4-light kit, which comes with 4 lights and then every single accessory we have.
Sounds really exciting. So the accessories themselves, let's say that you bought only 1 light.
Yes.
What will be the next step if you really like it? Can you just buy singles, or you have to buy?
So you could continue to buy singles, and I do believe that there are accessory packs that they're working on, so that will be able to, someone that stepped into the single light source, they could get the accessories and then kind of add on as they go, if that's what they wanted to do.
How about pricing and availability? I know you mentioned the price for the 2 lights, but for the 1 light, and maybe you also know for the 4 lights.
So yes, they are available right now, shipped through Adorama and B&H.
This looks like a really comprehensive system, and maybe you can quickly show me. So this is one of those lights?
Yes. So my favorite feature about this, honestly, is the power supplies. I love modifiers, I love all that, but giving me the availability to power it the way I want is a feature that I didn't know that existed yet. So they have their rechargeable battery, USB-C, gives you a little under 2 hours at 100%, but varies depending on your situation. Then we also have our awesome Edison, which is just great because now you can screw this fixture in and completely have it do something completely new. And then the last feature we have is our, where did it go?
That's a short commercial break until Joel's back.
And then the ever popular NPF that everybody has, which also allows the 14-volt DC in. So literally you can power this light any way you want. It can fit anybody's workflow. It's just so incredibly versatile.
Joel, thank you very much. Always nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.